Did you know a man once spent 3 days crawling less than 2,000 meters without sleeping, without eating, and without making a single sound? His name was Carlos Hathcock, Marine sniper, Vietnam War. And he was already a legend before this mission. A North Vietnamese general was operating deep inside enemy territory, heavily guarded, untouchable. Command gave Hathcock the job. He started crawling before dawn, inch by inch, sometimes taking an hour to move a single foot. Enemy soldiers passed close enough for him to hear their breathing. He couldn't flinch, couldn't cough, couldn't sleep. 3 days, 72 hours of pure stillness inside a war zone. On the third day, he reached his position. One shot. The general was dead. Then came the hardest part. He had to crawl all the way back out, the same way he came. Still silent, still alone. He made it. When people talk about mental toughness, they usually mean something small. Carlos Hathcock redefined what a human being can force themselves to endure.